Hello everyone, welcome back to Something of Everything. In this short video, I'll show you how to recall an email in Gmail. Unlike Outlook, Gmail gives you the flexibility of 30 seconds to undo the message sent. Let us draft a message and send it to someone. Let's say we are trying to send it to some trader and say hello. Regret to send to sending this email and I want to recall it. It is just a time message that doesn't mean anything. If you can see, it shows you the undo button. Undoing it will make the email a draft. How much time you will get to undo the message sent? Let me say you, let's just delete it and let us see how much time we can get and from where we can change the time to undo. Okay, you can go to settings, see all settings, in the general you can see that it shows undo send cancellation period is from 5 to 30 seconds. That means you can maximum cancel the message in 30 seconds. Let's try to keep it 30 seconds so that you can have the flexibility of cancelling the message. Now when it reloads the Gmail. Now when I send the message, that is 7 say recall my email, recall this, and when you send this it will show you up to 30 seconds. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 8 9 30. I'm too fast because seconds I've counted it. If you click on view message, it will not give you the further time to recall this. The message has been sent, you cannot recall it now. As you can see, there is no more option to recall this message. This is how you can recall an email sent by mistake or you want to update some emails. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and yeah, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get each and every video of ours. Thank you.